Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and I want to show you one of my favorite games that I play when I want to indulge in nostalgia. This is Dark Summit. I want to introduce you guys to a classic in the world of snowboarding video games. This is Dark Summit, which I play on my PlayStation 2. Dark Summit takes you to the slopes with a unique twist. It's not just about conquering this mountain, it's about uncovering a mysterious plot. You play a snowboarder who stumbles upon a top secret plan while exploring this forbidden mountain. And as you descend the slopes, you'll uncover clues, meet quirky characters, and perform tricks to progress through the game. One of the things that I appreciate about Dark Summit is its blend of snowboarding action and a compelling storyline. It's not like a typical sports game. The combination of snowboarding challenges and unraveling a mystery adds depth and intrigue to playing this game. The game also offers a variety of slopes and challenges, so you'll always find something new to explore. Plus, the ability to perform tricks and stunts keeps it exciting and dynamic. And as you accumulate points from your tricks and stunts, you're able to afford better snowboarding equipment. And as you complete challenges and find clues, you unlock new characters. So, Dark Summit is a must play for fans of snowboarding games who are looking for a unique and engaging experience. And that's my point of view.